So look, let's look at it in terms of 150 to 200, okay? So we have 150 to 200, and we have 100 to 150. Is the number 55, oh, you guys can see that. Is the number 55, 155 between 100 to 150? Or is it between 150 to 200? Please. Yeah, exactly. Because 155 is bigger than 150. So if you need to, in your margins, you can break these numbers down. I know that they're really big numbers, but you definitely can break them down like this. So what I'm looking for is this line. So I'm going to highlight the whole line. So everyone should be highlighting the whole line. Ashley highlighted the whole line. Daniel's highlighting his line. Khalees highlighted his line. All right, so just make sure you're doing this line. So then what I'm going to do is I have single boxed out. So I know it has to be in the single. So I'm going to try and find where the highlighting in the single matches. So I'm going to go down the line, and right there. What number is that? Raise your hand. Philip.
4,241.
Right, 4,241. So what is her tax? Her tax is 4,241. So on the exit slips we had on Friday, I think the thing that we were missing, you guys know how to do this, but just make sure that you're breaking it down so that you know that the number is between one of these two, because I think that this is where we were getting a little messed up. So next, I'm going to calculate her net pay. So who can remind me what net pay is? Kyle, what's net pay? Do you remember from last week?
Is it like what she owes?
So what she owes is the taxes. So do you remember what net pay is? So net pay is the money that you make after taxes. So this is the money that you're going to be taking home. So we want to calculate her net pay because we want to know how much money she's going to be taking home. So let's take out our calculators and we're going to find her net pay. And so remember, if you remember from last week or the week before, gross pay minus deductions or taxes equals net pay. So in order to find the net pay, I'm going to subtract, can you guys see that? I'll do it on my phone. Everyone should be doing this on their calculator. I'm going to subtract 31,155. Jamal, where did I get this number from? Where did I get 31,155 from?
I got from the calculator.
But why did I put in the calculator? Did I just make it up?
Oh, no. Actually, you got it from,
So everyone look at the question at the bottom where it says Desiree makes $31,155 per year. So this is her gross pay. So where did I get $31,155 from? Jamal.
and you got from gross pay.
I got from the gross pay at the bottom? Or is it, did I get it somewhere else? Because you're pointing to the chart, so I'm not sure where.
You got from the number you highlighted.
Okay, so those are the taxes. You're close, you're close. Ashley. Yeah, help him out. Can you actually come up here and show that? Nice job, Ashley. Does everyone understand that? Where we got this number from? Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract this number from the tax that we found. So the tax we found is $4,241. Philip, where's this number from? Where did I find this number? Yeah, where we highlighted. We found it right here, 4,241. So I'm going to subtract 4,241. And I got $26,914. So her net pay is $26,914. Sharon, how did I get this number? I added, what did I add?
Single, right? Add the single column.
So I found the single column, and then what did I do?
Subtract that.
Subtracted it from what?
400,200.
So I have 4,241, and what did I do with that number? Subtracted it from what?
1,000.
31,155. Nice job. Yeah. Does everyone see that? Does anyone have any questions before we go on? Ask me questions. I'm going to do some waiting, some wait time for some questions. So everyone understands this perfectly. It's difficult. This is a lot of numbers up here. Be brave if you have any questions. Okay. So now we're going to go flip the page over. We're going to do some guided work. Daniel, can you hand out the whiteboards and the markers, please? Ashley. Yeah, do you want to, actually Daniel, you can hand out the whiteboards. Ashley, do you want to hand out the markers? Thanks for offering.
Yeah,
The paper towels. Yeah. Go ahead. I love how helpful you guys are. This is awesome. All right, so everything should still be off our desk. So we should just have the whiteboard, the highlighter, the marker, the pencil, and the paper. So we want to, I know it's a little more now, but we want to make sure that our desks are clean. So does everyone see, everyone should have this paper up. It says guided at the top. So everyone get that up right now, where it says guided at the top. Ashley has guided up at the top. Daniel has guided. Nice job, guys. Guided, guided. I see lots of guided. All right, so I'm going to put a gross pay on the board, and I'm going to put the filing status. Who can remind me where filing status is? What filing status is? Ashley.
Filing status is single, married, household.
Nice job. So it's going to be at the top. So what you guys are going to do is use the highlighters. I think those are really helpful. Those are a lot of numbers. And so you're going to find the filing, you're going to find the tax that the person owes. When you find the tax that the person owes, you're going to write it on your whiteboard and you're going to hold it up for me to check. And then we're going to go over it, okay? All right. So the first status is this person is making $43,775 a year for their gross pay and is single. So find the tax that they owe, write it on your whiteboard, and when you have it written down on your whiteboard, hold it up for me to see.